Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today we're diving into 20 mind-blowing, weird, and wonderful celebrity events that happened on November 13th throughout history. From iconic birthdays to unforgettable moments, get ready to be amazed by the stars who share this special date. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey. Number 20. On November 13th, 1955, Whoopi Goldberg was born. Turning 69 in 2024, the EGOT-winning actress and comedian continues to entertain us on The View. From Sister Act to Ghost, she's been making us laugh and think for decades. Number 19. Born on November 13th, 1969, Gerard Butler will be 55 in 2024. The Scottish actor known for 300 still has abs that could make Spartans jealous. This is Sparta, and it's also his birthday. Number 18. On November 13th, 1953, Francis Conroy was born. Turning 71 in 2024, the 6 Feet Under and American Horror Story star continues to captivate audiences. Her roles are as timeless as her talent. Number 17. Born on November 13th, 1967, Jimmy Kimmel will be 57 in 2024. The late-night host keeps us laughing with his monologues and pranks. Remember when he made us all think twerking went wrong? Number 16. On November 13th, 1971, Noah Hathaway was born. Turning 53 in 2024, he played Atreyu in The Never-Ending Story. He rode a luck dragon. Talk about childhood goals. Number 15. Born on November 13th, 1954, Chris Noth will be 70 in 2024. Mr. Big from Sex and the City still has that enigmatic charm. Some things never go out of style. Number 14. On November 13th, 1850, Robert Louis Stevenson was born. He died at 44, but left us classics like Treasure Island and Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. His tales continue to ignite imaginations. Number 13. Born on November 13th, 1969, Ayan H Ali will be 55 in 2024. The activist and author challenges norms and inspires debates. Talk about making waves. Number 12. On November 13th, 1960, Neil Flynn was born. Turning 64 in 2024, the janitor from Scrubs is still cleaning up in comedy. Mop in hand, he's sweeping us off our feet. Number 11. Born on November 13th, 1979, Metta World Peace will be 45 in 2024. The NBA star known for his fierce defense and name changes keeps life interesting. From Ron Artest to Metta, it's all about world peace. Number 10. On November 13th, 1993, Julia Michaels was born. Turning 31 in 2024, the singer-songwriter behind hits like Issues is making waves. She's got issues, but a lack of talent isn't one. Number 9. Born on November 13th, 1980, Monique Coleman will be 44 in 2024. Known as Taylor in High School Musical, she's still got the moves. We're all in this together. Number 8. On November 13th, 1973, Jordan Bridges was born. Turning 51 in 2024, the actor from Rizzoli and Isles continues the Bridges family legacy. Acting must be in the genes. Number 7. Born on November 13th, 1967, Steve Zahn will be 57 in 2024. The comedic actor from That Thing You Do and The White Lotus keeps us laughing. His humor is timeless. Number 6. On November 13th, 1954, Scott McNeely was born. Turning 70 in 2024, the co-founder of Sun Microsystems helped bring us Java. Thanks for fueling our tech and our coffee puns. Number 5. On November 13th, 1922, Oscar Verner was born. He died at 61, known for roles in Jules and Jim and Fahrenheit 451. His performances were on fire. Number 4. Born on November 13th, 1967, Juhi Chaya will be 57 in 2024. The Indian actress and former Miss India continues to charm Bollywood audiences. Beauty and talent, a winning combo. Number 3. On November 13th, 1947, Joe Mantegna was born. Turning 77 in 2024, the Criminal Minds star keeps catching the bad guys. He's got a mind for mysteries. Number 2. On November 13th, 2015, Spectre, the 24th James Bond film, was released in the U.S. Daniel Craig returned as 007, giving us action, thrills, and that classic Bond charm. Number 1. On November 13th, 1940, Walt Disney's Fantasia premiered in New York City, introducing Mickey Mouse as the Sorcerer's Apprentice, a magical moment in animation history. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through November 13th's celebrity milestones. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this trip through time, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Celebrities in History for more astonishing tales. Stay curious. History is full of surprises.